Yo, yo, yo. What's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So, if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, we got a really crazy video today. It's the cook up, where you get to just watch over my shoulder as I record, create, and somewhat mix a song. All right, so today we're in with Jerry Legend. We're about to cook up this beat, write this song, and get it going crazy. All right, we're gonna actually be recording into our instant mix template today. So I want you guys to see just how powerful instant mix is. Not only as a drag and drop mixing tool, but you can also record into this template as well. So we're gonna be working in instant mix. We're gonna just jump right into the session. Let's get right into it. Let me get Jerry up. That's the one.
Baby, know you're ready. I'm so happy that you made it. Know you're ready. I'm so happy that you. Alright, we can keep on. If I got it. Baby, know you're ready. I'm so happy that you made it. Know you're ready. I'm so happy that you made it. I don't care about those others in your past life. Not what you dated. I don't care about those others in your past life. You don't gotta tell me who you dated. Care about those others in your past life. So you don't gotta tell me who you dated.
That's the one.
Others in your past life. So you don't gotta tell me who you dated. My body next to yours. Alright, get it. Made it. I don't care about those others in your past life. So you don't gotta tell me who you dated. So you don't gotta tell me who you dated. Now my body is with yours. So you don't gotta tell me who you dated. Now my body is with yours, and you know just what I want. Tell me who you dated. Now my body is with yours, you know just what I want. As soon as I get you home, as soon as I get you home. Alright.
You like that second one?
Yeah, that second one's cool. Yep. Soon as I get you home. As soon as I get you home.
That one more time was kind of crazy with that.
Yeah, I know just what I want. As soon as I get you home.
I kind of like that break. So like, I think you should say something and then sing the last bar where the beat drops out. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. As soon as I get you home. I need somebody to make me put my phone down, you know? Alright. Let's try that.
There it is, because that sets you up for any kind of bar. Perfect.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I get you home. I need somebody to make me put my phone down, you know? We should get real close.
There it is. Hold on 1 second.
I need somebody to make me put my phone down. We should take off our clothes. We should get real close. I need somebody to we should take off our clothes. I need somebody to we should take off our clothes. As soon as I get you home. I need somebody to we should take off our clothes. We should get real close.
Kind of want to move that down to one of these.
Get real close.
That's too fast. That's too close.
Close. Yeah. Close. We should get real close.
got you.
Close, we should get real close. We should get real. Baby, know you're ready. I'm so happy that you made it. I don't care about those others in your past life, so you don't gotta.
So yeah, there you have it. You saw the production process, you saw the tracking process. You really got to get a feel for, how to build a track, what it takes to track it, and you got to see how Instant Mix works in a tracking setting. I went ahead and loaded up the mix bus, the master bus. I'm gonna play back the track, see what it sounds like, and then that's pretty much it, man. Let's play back.
Baby, know you're ready. I'm so happy that you made it. I don't care about those others in your past life, so you don't gotta tell me who you dated. Now my body is with yours, and you know just what I want. As soon as I get you home, I need somebody to we should take off our clothes. We should get real close.
And so you can see as I'm listening back, I'm just adjusting the balance of the beat and the vocal, kind of the ad libs and things like that, just to give us an overall better balance of the track. But you can hear it's louder, it's punchier, it's clear. All of that straight from Instant Mix. Look, man, you need to pick up a copy of this template if you don't have one already. Pick it up down below. Remember, I'm Vivi. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.